Hello everyone, today let's work on together to find out what's the solution of getting EndNote lost in your Microsoft Word file. As I was working in a paper, just I got lost EndNote that was already showing in my Microsoft Word file. Just next to view there used to be Endnote 20, but it's not there now. Let's get solution on this. Go to your C drive and open the program files and go to Endnote and then hit on this configure Endnote. Give a double click, then click next. You'll get this pop-up yes, and finally finish. It should show now, but it's still not showing. There is no addition. So for this, let's go to another option, and this option is click on the file of the Microsoft Word file, then go down on the list, click on options, then you'll get this list, then go to add-ins, double click and you'll get this message, and go to down here, click on go. Here are two options: Endnote site while you write. Check this box and finally click on OK. See, now Endnote 20 is displaying. Thank you so much for your patience and going through this video. Hope you like this.